I'm so disappointed in you. After all the time we spent together, you want to leave me for that girl.
And so what?
What did I do wrong?
Now you go tell me when to serve you breakfast?
Why do you want to leave me? Just give me a reason.
I don't want you again.
I don't understand. What did I do wrong? Why?
You know get nyash.
Oh my God.
You know get, can't you see? Can't you see your fellow girl?
So you can't manage this.
Can't you see her?
Okay.
Machine. Engine. Big engine. See ways. See your fellow girl. See how girl they dey. See what
Cultists pass now, no glitch. Now one collect.
Hey! Who be this?
Cultists dey pass, no free glitch cultists. What a fine girl. Why are you crying this hot song?
After spending 9 years with my boyfriend here, you want to leave me because of this girl that have nyash.
What a trailer nyash. What a uku saramba. This is not an ordinary nyash. This is what they call uku trailer.
Okay.
Let's call a spade a spade. This one is more than a spade. Oh, I feel like crying for the nyash. You know, say they can't follow you the toy. You want can't form anyhow. You want the one cultist.
Hey guy, no feel my girlfriend talking anyhow.
What? Another one. I want to ask you one question. You go tell me the truth. How you take nyash?
I don't understand. And which kind of question be this one now? I don't understand, Jai.
How is they ask you a question? You don't understand.
I don't understand.
You want?
But that question is not meant for me.
This nyash is from Hela Kendra. They are my right plug, as in they are the plug for this sexy body you are seeing.
Ella what?
Hela Kendra Beauty Empire. You can just search for them on Instagram. Yes, they will make sure you have a good body, bouncy, sexy body like this. You can see I feel so
You get it?
This is my fine shape.
Show you down here. It's not everything you be crying. Just contact Ella Kendra on Instagram. You get big nyash.
That's so.
Everything you gonna try. You self you suppose collect. You are the go house.